Hi friends, let us have a look on insulin pharmacological actions. Insulin is a peptide hormone. It is used in treatment of diabetes. Insulin phosphorylates insulin receptor substrate complex initially. After the complex activation, it results in proliferation of various enzymes AKT1, etc., causing the reduction in blood sugar levels. Insulin increases glucose uptake into the cells. It is also affects the gene expression. Insulin types include neutral protamine hagedon, shortly NPH, which is an intermediate acting, whereas a synthetic example, Lispro, which is a rapid acting drug. Insulin inhibits lipolysis. Leptin enhances actions of insulin. Side effects include lipoatrophy, lipohypertrophy, allergic reactions, and hypoglycemia. Insulin inhibits gluconeogenesis, glucosenolysis, ketogenesis, and proteolysis. Thank you.